Welcome to Kannada Technology and Information. Please subscribe to more smartphone informations. Compact and extremely useful. If you are low on budget and don't want to compromise on quality, then this printer is your ultimate choice. This compact printer fits well in your study, office. You can shift it according to your will owing to its lightweight. Stylish and powerful. Ricoh SP 111 Monochrome Laser Printer sports a sleek design in black, rendering it an elegant look which complements your place. Connectivity. The printer has a USB 2.0 connection interface. It lets you connect with any device and prints with ease. Superb print quality. Bring home this printer and experience remarkable printing experience. With a resolution of 1200 x 600 dpi resolution, it gives high-quality professional output. Noise-free operations. The absence of fan leads to soundless printing, thereby maintaining the calm in your house, office. On the other hand, automatic paper jam removal function decreases its downtime. Compatibility. Ricoh SP 111 Monochrome Laser Printer is compatible with almost all kinds of operating systems including Windows Vista, BY, 7/8 and Server 2003, 2008, 2012. Thanks for watching. Please support and subscribe for more smartphone information.